Specialist in canine education, NUMAXES offers you a wide range of technological products adapted to each dog's sensitivity. We have the solution for each trouble. Education, for an obedient dog to make him give up his bad behaviors. Fencing, to stop roaming and deteriorations in your garden. Barking, to stop excessive barking and neighborhood trouble. Localization, to forget the never-ending researches and the long-lasting worries. We thank you for choosing a NUMAXES training set. Training collars are reliable and efficient, but they are not magical in any way. They do not replace you. You must be an actor in your dog's education and involve yourself. A training set is only an additional tool which enables you to refine the training. You will get the best results of your training collar if you respect the following recommendations. Before using a training collar, we recommend you to examine your dog by a vet to check that there is no contraindication. You can start using the collar with a 6-month-old puppy which has already received some rudimental training. Stay, sit, no. To be efficient, the training collar must be positioned properly on the dog's neck. Position it quite high on the dog's neck to avoid it to move. The strap is properly adjusted when you can insert 2 fingers between the strap and the dog's neck. Do not leave the collar more than 8 hours a day on your dog and check every day that there is no sign of skin irritation. If your dog has long hair, replace short contact points by long ones to have a proper contact with the dog's skin. Brush regularly your dog. This will improve the collar's contact with the dog's skin as well as its wellness. At the beginning, put the collar on the dog's neck when you go for a walk, but without using it so that your dog gets used to it. Choose a familiar area, a place your dog is used to. Always start with the lowest stimulation level and determine the intensity level from which your dog reacts and increase progressively. Do not point the remote control in the direction of your dog when you use it. It is important that your dog does not associate you to the stimulation. It must associate it directly to its bad behavior. Choose the appropriate moment to emit a warning or a stimulation, that is to say, at the exact time your dog does something wrong and not after. Firstly the warning, to warn your dog about its mistake or to draw its attention at a distance, and then stimulation, to call it to order at the exact time it made a mistake. After a certain time, you will then be able not to sanction your dog anymore, as it will react automatically to the warning. Encourage your dog with caresses and compliments. It will understand quicker and his willing to obey will increase furthermore. Clean regularly your collar with a soft cloth and neutral detergents. Check and change every year some parts such as water tightness seal, battery, screws. Do not hesitate to contact a professional trainer for a training adapted to your dog. For any further information on how to use your product or questions relating to its functioning, your team remains at your disposal. Respect of the dog and complicity give the best results.